One of the easiest tarp setups is to use something called jungle knots, which is quite popular. It's really simple. You just need a length of cord, paracord, bank line, 2mm paracord, something like that, something strong that you can use as a ridge line or a tie down point for your tarp. You don't need a lot of it. This is about 4 meters, and all you do is double it up so both ends meet. Take your end, just do a really simple knot. Just like that. Then all you're doing is repeating this process all the way down. So the way I like to do it, I take my first knot, that allows me to tie a knot roughly the same space all the way down. They don't need to be perfectly spaced, but more or less. You want to do that for between 4 and 6 lines, depending on what you prefer. I like to go for 6. And what I like to do is take the corner, take the line with the 2 tails. So you've got the 2 tails still free here at the end. Just pass the rest of the line through the first loop. So then it's attached at the corner end like that. And the reason I do that is just because with the 2 little tail ends, what you can do is attach a little pouch. You can buy these or just make them if your tarp hasn't already got a pocket on the inside where you can store your line afterwards. So now all I have to do when I'm putting this away is roll up the line, put it inside this little pouch. Now I'm going to attach one on all 4 corners and attach one in the centre there and the centre over there, which will become my ridge line point, which is my preferred way of laying out a tarp. Now all I'm doing now with the line is wrapping it round the tree, taking one of the knots, passing it through one of the loops. So what you end up with is a knot pressing up against another knot, and it's just holding itself under its own tension that way. You can see the knot is just pressed up against this other knot under its own tension. Now that's not going to go anywhere unless you take the end and pull it out. Now you've got a quick release. Now if you're concerned about this knot coming loose, you can use a tent peg or a stick, and all you do put that in there. Now you've got a spike hitch. That can't possibly go anywhere now. And it's still quick release, because all you would do is pull this out, pull the line, and the whole thing will come loose. I see a lot of people doing this with just sticks that they find on the ground, but sometimes sticks are sometimes difficult to find, or they're brittle, that's why they're on the ground, they're dead, or they're a funny shape or something like that, and they can actually cause a bit of damage to your line as well. So I like to just carry 2 lightweight aluminium pegs, because it's useful to have a couple of extra pegs anyway, and takes up no additional weight or space really in my peg bag, and I really just use them for this purpose. For the corners, tie this off to a tree or a stick, or my preference just to use a peg. See, it's incredibly strong. All you do to release it, pull out your peg, pull down on your line. I like to keep my lines quite short, just a couple of meters once they're doubled over. But it's a good idea to keep a few of these spare because they don't take up much space or room. And it's very easy to increase the length simply by joining one to the other. And again, the easiest way of doing it is just to feed one through the loop of another, and now you've doubled the length. And you can do that at any point down the line as well. You can, even if you need to, simply use the knot catch technique to join one to the other.